Hello guys, welcome to the for loop. Today we are going to solve two problems. One is middle of a linked list and the other one is remove nth node from a linked list from the end of the list. Right. So first let us look at how to solve the how to find the middle of a linked list. So it's very intuitive. So what we do is here we have, let's say, 0, just a second. Yeah, we have, let's say, 1, 2 and 3. So what we do is first we create two pointers. One is the fast pointer, one is the slow pointer, and then we simply say that the fast has to move twice the slow. Okay, so now what will we how will we write the while condition here? So here what we do is, so how will the fast move? Fast will, in this case, n is odd. The sorry, not n, the total number of nodes is odd, so fast will go from here to here. So the here will write fast dot next is null, right? So until fast dot next becomes null. And let's say we have a case where it's even, then we have fast will go from here to here, here to here. So here fast becomes null. So that's it. These two are the only cases, right? Now let us look at this problem, right? So this is done. Okay, and then we'll return slow, as we see, right? Because 1 2 3, if we have an as odd, fast will move here, fast dot next becomes null, slow will move here, and then we'll return slow, right? So find the middle of the linked list. Okay, all right. Now very similar, on the basis of a very similar approach, we are going to solve this problem. Delete the nth node from the end of a linked list. Now how to solve this problem? First of all, let us see what they have mentioned. Okay. So so let, if this is the input 1 2 3 4 5, then n is 2, means 4. We need to remove 4, so the output should be 1 2 3 5. Now they have said that n is always valid. Okay, so n cannot be like anything, n should exist basically, right? N should not be more than, let's say, 4, or n should not be less than 1. Okay, so that's the idea. So now our edge condition, let's say, if we have only node, let's say only node is this, then we have to return null, because this is the only node we are going to delete. N is valid, right? So this is the only node, so head dot next is null, then return null. That's understood, right? Now guys, if we have, let's say, some n, 1 2 and 3, let's say for no loss of generality, we'll assume this. Okay, now we need to find the nth node from the end of a list. How will you approach this problem? How will we come up with this code? So n is, let's say, 3, let's say. So how do we solve this? N is 3 means 1 2 third node from the end. Okay, which means we want this guy out, which is similar to saying that move the head pointer to next. Consider this as head. Okay, and because in the lead code main problem, they have written a code where they move from left to right and publish. So if your head points here, it will publish 2 and 3. If your head points here, it will publish only 3. And if your head points to 1, it will publish only 1. Right? That is understood. So we need to create a system such that if we have to delete something here, then our head has to move, right? And if we have, let's say, 1 2 3 4 5, let's say 1 2 3 4 5, and we have n as 2. So if we have n as 2, we need to delete this guy, right? So we have a very similar approach here, like similar in the sense we have two pointers, fast and slow, right? Then first of all, we just forget about the slow pointer, right? We take the fast pointer, and then for n equal to 2, we have a for loop. So our I will be, let's say, I will go from 0 1, right? 0 and 1, let's say. So we need to delete this guy, remember. So how will we do that? So if I goes from 0 and 1, what we do is fast equal to fast dot next. So fast comes here for 0, for I equal to 0 is done. Then for I equal to 1, we have fast equal to fast dot next. So fast comes here, right? Cool. Now we do very similar to what we did in middle of a linked list. Now there are, until, we'll write this while condition. until fast is null or fast dot next is null. Now this is understood, right? Because it's either odd or even, right? So until fast is null or fast dot next is null, move slow and fast at the same speed now, because fast is already moved, right? So we are going to move it at the same speed. So fast will come here, fast will come here, and hereafter fast dot next becomes null. So slow will move twice. Slow will come here. Now simply when we have like 3, 4 and 5, what we simply do is, instead of this thing, we just say 3, the next of 3 will point to 5. That's it. So we break this connection and we just make this connection. So inside the lead code, when they'll function the main function, when they'll move the main function, they'll have something like 1 2 3 5, and they'll skip 4, right? Now how can we come up with this condition, right? How do we know about this condition? So as I have mentioned before, if your n, let's say, let's take this thing 1 2 and 3, right? If your n is 3 here, let's say, okay, so which means I need to delete the third node from the end, which is 1 2 and 3. This node I need to delete. I need to get rid of this guy. So the easiest way, like one way to do it is just let your head point to the next, so head becomes head dot next. So that's exactly what we do here, right? Head equal to head dot next. If our head becomes head dot next, then this will not be considered while publishing. Only publish 2 and 3. So in this case, what happens? We have I equal to 0, 1 and 2. So when we have I equal to 0, we move it here, the fast. Then we have I equal to 1, we move it here. But here we have a case, fast dot next is null. So here the fast dot next becomes null. So we move inside. Then we check if I should be equal to n minus 1. So 2 is nothing but equal to 3 minus 1. And once we move inside, we just move the head and we publish it, right? So of course, the question already mentions that n will be valid. So they can of course not say something stupid like n equal to 0, delete 0th node from the end, or n is greater than, the number of nodes that we have. So with that, we come to an end. If you like our content, please consider like and subscribing. And thank you so much. And see you next time. Bye bye.